Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install AnyDesk on Linux. So first of all, we have to go into the browser and we will see the steps that we need to do on the official AnyDesk site. So I will type AnyDesk for Linux. And now we have this site. We have to simply go into the Linux section and I will use a deb repository. So I will go into the deb repository and right now we have to open our terminal, of course. Before we will do our steps, I have to install curl because it is not installed by default, but we will need it in this command, as you can see. So I have to type in sudo apt install curl. I have to type in my password, and right now we have to wait a bit because basically this command would not work and this fourth command would not work because of curl, so we have to install that. And now we can do sudo apt update. As you can see, the first command is sudo apt update. From there, it is, I think, not necessary because without sudo apt update, the rest of these commands would work, but basically will work, but it's recommended, so we can do it. And after sudo apt update, we will just copy the comments one by one. So we'll copy the first one like this, paste it, press enter. We have to agree for everything, so like this. Right now we have to do this command, so sudo install etc apt killings, so like this. Now we have to use this command with curl, so again paste, and the last one is a chmod command, so we will change some permissions and I will paste that. And right now we have to add the repository, so I will copy that, paste that and run it. I think it should work because yes, I pasted that. It should work, I think. So now we can move to the sudo apt update section. So again, sudo apt update. As you can see, it worked. And now the last command, sudo apt install AnyDesk. So we can paste that, press enter. And now we have to just wait a bit. Failed to stop AnyDesk service. Unit AnyDesk service not loaded. Of course, it is not loaded because it was not installed before, but I think it should work fine. Right now, if I will type in AnyDesk ---- version, as you can see, I have the version 7.1.2, and I can just start AnyDesk by typing AnyDesk and enter, or I can just start AnyDesk by pressing on this icon in the app section. So this is all in this video. If you know how to install AnyDesk and if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.